Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today, I'm going to introduce you to miso dzuke. Miso dzuke is a classic Japanese washoku dish which frequently seen in bento. It has a savory and a strong flavor, so it goes well with rice and still tastes good if you eat at room temperature. This is my 100th video. As I said in the previous video, I have giveaway as my appreciation. I will talk about it at the end of the video. Let's get started. Wash and clean your Spanish mackerel. Pat dry. Cut into two and shave off the bones. Sprinkle salt all over the surface and place them onto a rag. Cover with a plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the miso marinade. Put your white miso into a bowl and add in mirin and mix to combine. In an old school method, there are more ingredients to make miso marinade. But I found that the simple ingredient can make good miso marinade. The amino acid in miso and fish will create complex umami while marinating. Place 4 pieces of plastic wrap on your working surface. Put 2 teaspoons of miso mixture and place your salted fish, wiping off the excess moisture on top. The salt draws out excess moisture and unwanted fishy smell at the same time. Put some more miso mixture over the fish and wrap it tightly. Marinate overnight or up to a week. In traditional way of making miso dzuke, we make a lot of miso marinade in an airtight container. Bury the fish and marinate. You can shorten the marinating time. I don't want to waste my miso in making process. The idea behind my method is no food loss in the kitchen. You can also make pork miso dzuke and chicken miso dzuke. I'm using regular miso or red miso for pork and chicken. Red miso is saltier and it creates good flavor with meat. It takes at least 24 hours to marinate. As I said before, we have fish griller in the Japanese kitchen. Place them on the rack, grill at the lowest possible heat for 5 to 6 minutes for each side, or until done. Smells so good. Alternatively, you can use frying pan lined with a parchment paper. Flip over several times and good to go. Cut into bite-sized pieces and transfer to a dish. There you have miso dzuke. It looks fascinating. Serve with simple salad and rice. The fish is fluffy and tastes terrific. Chicken and pork are rich in savory umami. You can eat a whole bowl of rice per a piece. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. And now it's the time to make announcement for giveaway. These are my favorites in my kitchen. Bonito flakes and dried shiitake mushroom, comb cap. These are for dashi making. Sesame grinder and my egg fork and egg bowl. I will pack all of them in one pack and I will let you know personally and who is going to receive. Make sure not to write your address in the comment. Thanks for watching my special edition. All the information is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will catch you again in a week. Bye!